What do 15-year-olds, college students, and software engineers have in common? They all make money using ChatGPT. In this video, we will review 5 tested strategies for generating income with ChatGPT. At the end of this video, I'm going to share a bonus strategy that will increase your income by some margin, so make sure you watch it till the end. Number 1, you can use ChatGPT to create websites for businesses. It's old news that ChatGPT can write example code snippets for you, but you can actually use it to generate full-fledged web apps. You can firstly create an account on freelancing websites such as Fiverr, Freelance.com, or Upwork to sell website building services to the world. Secondly, let's assume that a company called Donut Factory contacts you for creating a website. This is how you would use ChatGPT to create a website for this company. First, ask it to create a plan for creating this website. You will see that it will output a layout of how the website should look like. Now, let's ask it to provide a code for the homepage in React. You will see that after it does that, it will reference many components such as header, footer, or the testimonials components. Then you can ask it to create each component one by one. You can also request free images for your website's assets to change the references from the code with actual pictures. After doing this myself, this is the end result. Quite amazing, isn't it? The whole process lasts around 1 hour for a full-fledged website, and the potential win, at least in the beginning, is around $300 to $550. You can also increase your rate after getting positive reviews from your customers. Of course, the resulting website is not 100% tested, and with node projects, you might introduce some security vulnerabilities. This leads me to number 2, cybersecurity services. To make ChatGPT analyze the security of a web application, we can use the following prompt. Here we ask ChatGPT to act as a cybersecurity analyst. You also need to ask it to provide strategies for improving the security of the web application, such as encryption methods or even policy management. It's really mind-boggling how efficient this can be, generating ready-to-use reports that you can submit for your client. This can be extended to UX as well, by changing the prompt. The caveat is that you need to be very descriptive of the target application, therefore it's not that trivial. Nevertheless, it will surely save time spent on researching those topics. With such a service, you can expect to earn between $100 and $500, depending on your experience level and how in-depth you are going with the analysis.
Winning.
Number 3, creating chatbot templates. I personally find chatbots to be really helpful to streamline the support or sales channels of a business. You can leverage ChatGPT to create chatbot templates. All you have to do is to ask for a chatbot template, and it will spit a working Python snippet that will save you time and resources. Moreover, you can elaborate and make more than a generic chatbot in the end. Alternatively, you can ask ChatGPT to output the list of steps you need to follow to develop a chatbot in any of the big frameworks out there. Here is an example that uses Google's Dialogflow. If you're interested in how a chatbot can be developed without any robot assistance, make sure to check out my book on Amazon, Chatbot Development from Zero to Hero. You'll find an in-depth guide on how to build your own chatbot from scratch, using natural language processing algorithms. You can expect to earn even $1,000 for a chatbot depending on the complexity of it. You don't have to target big e-commerce businesses. You can also target influencers that wish to engage with their fan base on their social media profiles easier through a chatbot. Speaking of which, let's go to the 4th idea, automating your social media posts. You can advertise a service that grows the popularity of social media. Let's take for example Twitter. We can use ChatGPT to create a funny or controversial tweet about any topic. Managing your client Twitter account this way will bring extra followers and increase the reach of the account. This can last a bit longer than the previous gigs since you need some time to gain traction with your tweets. Nevertheless, it can pay up to $500. Since we are talking about writing, the last point is about writing stuff for your clients using ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, you can write blog articles, copy for the products of a business, generate cover letters or summaries for people looking for jobs, or even design email campaigns. The sky is the limit. This usually can take only a few minutes to generate the article, and it can pay between $50 and $300. I would also like to add a bonus point, writing scripts for video or audio content. Nowadays, there are a gazillion podcasts and YouTube channels, and all content creators need to keep up with the demand for entertainment. You can create a service for writing such scripts that they will use in their shows. It's super easy to start a new online business nowadays, especially when you have a tool such as ChatGPT. Let me know in the comments if you have any tips for making money with ChatGPT. Make sure to subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.